Yeah, it was just like, guys, I'm not, you don't make me do this every single time. Don't want a lot for Christmas. Hey lovely people, welcome back to my channel. I am so happy today and I hope you are too. If you're new to my channel, welcome. On the channel I go by Drea Atkins, but you can call me Andrea or Drea, it's up to you. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back for another video. Today is a festive type of video because as you and I both know, we're at the end of the year. We're in the month of December and Christmas is right around the corner. I don't know about you, but Christmas is my favorite type of year. As you know, we moved into our new place and I want to do some little decorations, you know? I need the home to feel more festive and Christmassy, you know? I got my Christmas getup on, I got the Christmas nails done, you know? So I got little bits and pieces. If you have a small apartment, condo, townhouse, small space that you want to, you know, add the Christmas spirit to, this video is for you because I'll give you some ideas on what I've seen and what I'm thinking of doing around the house. But before we get into it, I'm gonna do a Christmas decor haul and show you everything that I got for the house and ideas of how I'm gonna use it. And then the second part of the video, we're gonna decorate the house together. So if you're like me and you're trying to stay on a budget this year, then you would be happy to know that I did a lot of my Christmas decoration at the dollar store. So in Canada, we have Dollarama, and Dollarama, although everything's not $1 anymore as it used to be, things are still a lot cheaper than when you go to other stores. So I got this little Christmassy plant looking thing. It's called Christmas Noel. It has pine cones and different things on it. I thought it was really cute. So I got this to probably put on either the table, either one of the tables or the bar table where we have breakfast and stuff. So I got this. And then I also got a little golden Christmas tree. So I opted to not do the big Christmas tree this year, maybe next year. But I did get a small Christmas tree that we can put, like, I see a corner that I want to put it, which I'm going to show you after. But I got this also to put, I'm going to find a spot for it. I'll either put it on the table again or the counter or our little shelves that we have on the wall. So I'm gonna find a spot for this. And then the next thing I got, this is the mini tree I was talking about right over here. So they had two different kinds when I went to the dollar store. And one had like the plasticky, plastic bottom. But with that one, I like sampled it and tried to put an ornament on it and it started tipping over. So this one's a bit heavier and I'm confident that when I put the little tree ornaments on, nothing is gonna fall off or the tree's not gonna tip over. So that's why I opted for this base. But yeah, it's a cute small size tree. I'm gonna put it on our shelf. So that's that. And then I also got a little garland in like the material of a tree. So I got this for the garland and I also got this decor that I'm gonna wrap around the garland and I'm gonna put this around the cupboards in our kitchen. I'm gonna show you that. I'm gonna put that on the top. I've seen people do that. I really like the look it gives the kitchen. So I'm gonna put that on top of the cabinets and I'm gonna do it together like the green, and then I'm gonna put this on top just to, you know, make it look Christmassy. I'm so excited. And then, what did I get next? Okay. I also got these. This is going to be for the bathroom. So basically, what I'm thinking, if you guys have seen my bathroom before, which I will show you again, I'm going to tape this down to the, we have like a little circle shelf thing in the bathroom. I'm gonna hang this along the edges of the shelf, and then I'm also gonna put this. I got this from HomeSense. So basically it's a diffuser. It's called Vanilla Pine. Guys, I haven't even smelled the scent, but it looks so cute that I had to get it for the bathroom. So I'm gonna display this on top as well. and it has like little pine cone. It has like a tree thing. I'll show you guys when I open it and when I display. I'm hoping it fits. But yeah, I'm gonna put this there, and then along the edges is gonna be these trees for the bathroom. Next thing I got was little ornaments for the small tree that I got. But yeah, they had different colors. They had red and green circle ornaments, but I wanted the gold and silver instead because I thought it would go with the vibe. So yeah, that's that. And then I also got little bows. I got 6 bows. I don't know if I'll need more because I'm looking around and I feel like I might need more. So I want to put this along the ledges of the top where the vents are. I will show you again if you watch the second part of this video where I'm actually decorating around. I want to put this along the edges of the ceiling. And then I also went to HomeSense. And when I went to HomeSense, I got a towel for the bathroom and it says home for the holidays. Honestly, I wanted something that said something cuter, but I couldn't find anything cuter. So I got this. It's still cute. Home for the holidays. I'm going to put that in our bathroom. And then I also got towels for the kitchen. And it says joy, because one thing we're always going to have in this house is joy. Can I get an amen? Amen. So yeah, it says joy. So I'm going to switch out the brown towels we have, and I'm going to change it to joy for this season. So at HomeSense, I also got hand soaps for the bathroom, and this one is called Holiday Cheer, and it's scented with notes of spruce, peppermint, and sugar cookie. Smells so good. So this is going in one of our bathrooms. And then I also got this one, and this one's called Frosted Berry. Does it say what this one? I don't know. But this one smells so good as well. It smells like a berry Christmassy scent, which I love. And then the last thing I got was a candle, of course. And this is called Christmas in a Candle. Guys, I didn't buy it for the scent. I bought it for the title. Christmas in a Candle, yes please. So I think that's all I got. That's all I got decor-wise. But I got this to try for me rolling at home. It's a hot chocolate cocoa bar station. It has cocoa powder, mini marshmallows, and peppermint. So after all the decorations, I'm gonna make us this just to drink and enjoy and watch a Christmas movie. So that's everything. That's everything I got. Now guys, let's start decorating the home.